Hey guys, and welcome back to another Rainbow Playmaker slime video. Today I am going to show you how to make this amazing cloud slime using Maddie Rae'S clear slime glue. Now let's just jump right into it and get started. So I'm adding 1 cup of clear Maddie Rae'S slime glue to my bowl, and then I'm putting in 2 pumps of foam soap. Mixing that all up, and then I'm ready to activate. I'm going to do it the Maddie Rae way, which is with liquid starch, since she doesn't use borax powder for her slimes. And you just want to add liquid starch, kind of just the same way you would borax, just a little bit at a time. I know I poured in a lot, but you can go in with a little bit at a time. Liquid starch is a little more forgiving than if you're using dissolved borax powder, and it's harder to over-activate your slime, so you have to be less cautious than you are when you use borax powder. So once you get to this point and you have activated slime, you want to add 1 tablespoon of expanding snow that is not activated. So this is dry Snow Wonder expanding fake snow. And you just mix that in. This is kind of a long process because the snow needs to absorb the liquid in the slime, and it just does take a lot of kneading. The number 1 question I get is, oh my gosh, my slime, I can't get it to work. And then I talk to the people and I tell them it takes a very long time, and they get it. So now I'm adding another tablespoon of dry expanding snow. The reason this looks like fruity pebbles is because it is leftover snow from some of my colored snow videos on Instagram, and just using it up. Cloud slime always gets better after you let it sit for at least a day. It just allows the snow to really come together with the glue, and then you can get some nice drizzles with it. So you want to just keep working it, kneading it, and then let it sit overnight. I decided to color this slime purple, so here are some drizzles and sizzles for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and go and check me out on all of the forms of social media. See you next time. Bye!